Let's continue with our topic. Now we'll study about minerals. Minerals are needed by our body for proper growth and to maintain good health. However, minerals are needed by our body in small amounts. Minerals are of two types, macrominerals and trace minerals. Macrominerals are needed by our body in large amounts and trace minerals are needed by our body in small amounts. Few minerals are like calcium, iodine, iron, phosphorus, potassium and zinc. Now we'll study about roughage or dietary fibers. Our body also needs dietary fibers and water. Dietary fibers come from plants and are also known as roughage. Though roughage does not provide any nutrients to our body, but it is an important component of our food and adds to its bulk. The undigested food is pushed out of our body by means of roughage. Lack of fiber in a diet causes a condition known as constipation. Then we'll study about water. Water is also an important component of our diet. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. By drinking liquids such as water, milk, tea, juices, etc., we provide water to our body. Apart from this, our body also gets water when we add water while cooking many food items. You might have watched your mothers, they add water while cooking. Okay beta, carrots and cabbages are rich in insoluble fibers while strawberry and peach are rich in soluble fibers. Now we'll study about balanced diet. Do you have any idea what is a balanced diet? Normally the food we eat in a day is a diet. Our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs and those nutrients should be in right quantities for growth and maintenance of our good health. A diet that contains the right amount of nutrients for the healthy functioning of our body is called a balanced diet. Thus, a diet should not contain too much of one or more components. In a diet which is having one component in excess and otherwise less, then it becomes imbalanced. Okay, a balanced diet also depends on two factors. Which are these two factors? People of different ages need different types of diet. A balanced diet also depends on the amount of physical work one does. Some food items such as pulses, groundnuts, soya bean, sprouted seeds of moong and Bengal gram, idlis, missi rotis, sattu, jaggery, fruits and vegetables provide many nutrients. These cheap food items can provide us equal nutrients as eating expensive food items. For a balanced diet or getting the right amount of nutrients, eating the right kind of food is not enough. Some factors for a balanced diet should be maintained. These include food should be cooked properly so that its nutrients are not lost. Some nutrients get lost in the process of cooking. Some vitamins are lost if vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling them. This is very important point. Some vitamins are lost if vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling them. The skins of many fruits and vegetables contains vitamins and minerals. Some vitamins and minerals are also lost by repeated washing of pulses and rice. If excess water is used during cooking, it results in the loss of certain nutrients.